everyone, Lauren from Wildflowers here, today to show you how to do this beautiful woven look on the nail. We actually have a stamping plate that makes this really easy at Wildflowers. So you want to begin with a white nail. Cure that, grab the Wildflowers metallic top coat and coat the nail. Cure that layer and then grab the Wildflowers black stamping gel and the Bohemian stamping plate. We are going to apply the black stamping gel to this woven design, scrape, drop, gently roll, and here we have the design. Next, we're going to grab the Wildflowers inks. Now, we haven't cured the stamping gel. It doesn't need to be cured at this point. So we can go right ahead with the inks. And you want to make sure that as you're coloring, you're following the same strip of what would be fabric. So make sure you follow it along and keep the colors the same and consistent going down through the design. Our inks come in several different colors. I believe we're up to 9 colors. When you're all finished with the ink, make sure that it has dried and then top with the Wildflowers top coat gel. Next, grab the black pop-up gel and the Wildflowers teal brush. We are going to add shadows. So this is what creates the whole illusion that parts are going under and parts are going over. You have to look at it and look for the places that you want to dip down, and where you want it to look like it's dipped down, you're going to add that shadow. After you've applied the black pop-up gel, you want to blend it with just the dry brush. Cure that for 30 seconds when you're finished, and then we'll do one final top coat with the Wildflowers top coat gel and cure for 30 seconds. Here's the finished look. You can wear it shiny or you can wear it matte. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.